I'm Sherri Harrah with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm here today with Mike Fodge with AZOMITE. And you always hear us talking on the radio show about using AZOMITE in your lawn and in your garden.
Yes.
But your interior plants, you can use it as well.
Absolutely.
So what would be some of the benefits of using it on the interior plants?
Well, the interior plants also need to have micronutrients.
Mm-hmm.
They need those nutrients in order to do it their optimal.
Mm-hmm.
So just a little bit, a pinch.
Yeah, which would be like, I'll actually do it right now.
Yes.
So a pinch like this.
Just around the base.
And then how do I know how much to put in?
Well, if it's a 5-inch pot, then 5 pinches. If it's a 1-inch or 2-inch pot, a pinch.
Okay. And the good news is there's no nitrogen in here, so it's not going to burn.
No.
So it's not going to hurt to put a little bit too much. You just want to make sure you have enough.
Right. And then when you water, those little frills will break down. And that's when it starts being absorbed by your root system.
Yeah, and our interior scapes can be a little rough on our interior plants sometimes.
Yes, sometimes too hot, sometimes too cold.
Yeah. So, and we would want to use this in conjunction with a regular fertilization program as well.
Absolutely.
Awesome. For more great tips like this, join us at Home Show Garden Pros.